I've never heard of that.
Yeah, either have I.
Is it cool?
No, it's not at all.
Oh, fucking stupid.
It's like a decal that's orange and maybe orange stitching in the seats, maybe.
Stupid.
Yeah.
Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Toyota Camry XSE in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 4,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 9186C.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.